Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, July 18th and 19th, 2015. We're going to start off with Saturday here first and go with a warm front here early in the morning here. Not expecting much in the way of precipitation from this, but most of what will have fallen already would have been come from Friday night. But there is a possibility for just a stray shower in the morning, otherwise mostly cloudy. Skies are going to decrease in cloudiness throughout the day. As we get later in the day, should be partly cloudy. Still an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm, though, later on Saturday here, but not really too much showing here at all. The global models are actually a little bit more enthused than the short-range guidance is. Here is the very isolated chance across our coverage area here, the concentration of which would be further to the south, but even this is just very light stuff here. Not really much to deal with. We're going to go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. This is the latest NAM here that ran at 0Z Saturday. So this is the latest guidance we have here. We're going to have a very tough time initiating any of these storms just because there's a lot of mid-level dry air to overcome, even though the instability is very high. So here's a look at 5 p.m. Saturday. You can see some pop-up stuff here. This is very much a possibility, so we are going to mention that, and as an isolated chance. You see it's isolated because it's very, very hit or miss, very widely scattered here. So, and then as you move a little bit forward here, can't really get too much of anything going here, but a few storms may go pretty robust or severe, but these are going to be pulsars. The pulsars are thunderstorms that are very short-lived. They'll blow up real quick. They might even have a severe warning with them, and then they'll fall apart as they get choked out by the run updraft. So with the rain cooling the updraft. So here is what's left of here. This is looking at 7 p.m. now, and then these just fall apart with the loss of night here. So we are leaving the opportunity for an isolated shower. That mostly be across isolated shower or thunderstorm. That would be across mainly northeastern PA, eastern portions of east central PA here, and northern New Jersey. For the most part, we'll leave southeastern PA if it was, like the NAM is suggesting here. This gets all the way down to central New Jersey and Philadelphia. Again, verdict's out on that. This is actually looking at midnight here, so not impossible, but it looks like most of your Saturday should be dry. And then we get into Sunday. We're going to go back to the globals for this and move ahead to Sunday. Sunday looks like it is going to be dry for our entire coverage area for the entire day here. There's going to be a frontal boundary to our west here that's going to be moving through. This is a cold front, and there's going to be some serious heat here on Sunday. Now, we're looking at an increase in temperatures and humidity for Saturday, and a lot of places are in the upper 80s to near 90. Sunday will be in the 90s across most of our coverage area. You're going to have a very warm surge, southwesterly flow out ahead of this cold front here. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s in many locations, and you will also have very high dew points, which are going to make it feel really, really sticky. Really hazy, hot, humid for Sunday. Will be the hottest day for the year in many places so far this year. So we're going to go over to temperatures first. This is what we're looking at for Sunday. You can see this entire area here. Are looking at the low to mid 90s here, so that's a very large area from New York City all the way back down to Philadelphia, all mid 90s down by the Philadelphia area here, getting in the upper 90s down here by DC, but even in the interior locations from Harrisburg to Allentown and 92, 93-ish, Reading 93. So this is basically typical of what you'll see on Sunday. And here's your dew points. This is a measure of how much humidity is involved here, and this is insane. We're talking about mid 70 readings here, so maybe a little bit above mid 70s here. So this is very, very soupy air here, and very dangerous if you're outside. Heat indices will be in the 100 to 105 degree range in many locations because of these high dew points. So take it easy on Sunday. If you have access to a pool, air conditioning, things like that, just use them, because it's going to be definitely the day to use it. Go back to the globals again, and it's going to be an easy forecast once it gets beyond Monday. Looks like Sunday night this front has sped up a little bit. So Sunday night, say after midnight, we're looking at some showers and thunderstorms moving through our area here. And here is a look at the wee hours in the morning here. This again after midnight. Some showers and thunderstorms might wake you up here in the middle of the night here, before in the pre-dawn hours here, and that will last and diminish in the morning here. Maybe through about mid to late morning, we'll have some showers around left over with that, and then we start to clear out. I think once we get to the afternoon, we start to gradually clear out on Monday. Still remaining hot here on Monday as well. Some areas getting up to close to 90 degrees again. That's really going to be the theme for the entire week. Close to 90 degrees every single day. As you get into Tuesday, nothing going on here. Wednesday, Thursday is pretty much the same thing. Pretty much dry. Next chance of precipitation maybe will come on Friday. But even that's uncertain. It looks like this system is trying to come in our area here, but it looks like it's sliding to our south here, so it might miss entirely. That would be our next opportunity for any precipitation beyond Monday, but we're kind of getting into that very hot and dry pattern right now, so it looks like it's going to last far beyond just our 6-day forecast window. This could go on for quite some time, straight into next weekend, it looks like, at the very least. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, July 18th and 19th, 2015. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.